Secretary. So first up here, we have Specialist Edwards from South Carolina. His leadership essentially said he is the epitome of what right looks like for junior soldiers aspiring to become non-commissioned officers in our Army. Everything that he does, he's leading from the front, mentoring, coaching, and teaching, sir. Specialist Alarka, she's a chaplain's assistant. She's from the District of Columbia, but she's done more than just be there for the chaplain. She's picked up every task, including being an RTO for the Joint Task Force Commander, helping in current ops. If there is a gap, she just willingly throws herself into it like we know every soldier, airman, sailor, Marine does for this nation.
That's it. Thank you.
All right, sir. Sergeant First Class Metz from Mississippi. Now, I can personally attest every time I turn around on the street when I'm rolling to an incident, he is there making sure that his soldiers are doing the right things. He has just been a rock star from start to finish, sir. Sir, Sergeant Schultz from Georgia. Again, another one of those, we talk about this being a junior leader-led mission. Sergeant Schultz is one of those junior leaders that's acting way above. I would say he's been doing things at the Sergeant First Class level since the beginning of this. All right, sir. Sergeant Major Aubrey Hayes from the District of Columbia. From day one, he's been there making things happen. As people were rolling in, figuring out how to get them out to ranges, over 1 million rounds scheduled, executed. From Pennsylvania all the way down to Southern Virginia, he's made it happen personally. Mr. Secretary, Sergeant Franklin from Georgia. Again, just another one of those. I'm getting redundant here, but this is exactly what you have asked our NCO Corps to do. Step up, lead from the front, and show not just Americans, but the world what the United States Army is made of. Sergeant Franklin is one of those guys. Sergeant First Class Bernie from Georgia again. He has been here for quite some time. When did you get here? September? May. Okay, well, excuse me. Again, another one of those examples of every time I turn around, he's there. That's why I'm getting confused. It must be the heat. But again, leading those junior NCOs, getting them developed, sir. Okay, so we've got Sergeant Miranda Cabrera. I will tell you again, sir, he has been jumping up. And in fact, he, about 8-10 days ago, administered a Narcan, saved a life right here in the district, setting the example for others. And he's been doing that since the very beginning.
Give it up for these guys.